I'm building my business again, and I'm using YouTube to do it. A few years ago, heart failure forced me to put my business on hold and eventually stop business completely. Now I'm building it again, and this time I'm sharing the process. Before YouTube, I spent months bouncing around on social media. I tried Threads, TikTok, Instagram, and got nowhere. I'm not really into social media like that. My personal accounts, I rarely, if ever, log on. Imagine my excitement when my friend told me she was leaving social media for YouTube and never looking back. That might be just a little exaggerated, but you get it. It was my ticket out of there. I even got a decent number of shorts views, and I was starting to feel like I was on to something. I was excited. That was right before a trusted source recommended you start all over if you built your channel with shorts. So if you have more shorts than long form videos, they recommended you start over from scratch. I was devastated and I almost quit. After a lot of thinking and even more research, I decided to try and see if I could overcome the curse of shorts. Now I'm back with a more defined audience of women like me, moms who are building or even rebuilding their businesses, those who are looking for real insights that come from experience, the kind where context is always included. I'll be documenting what works, what doesn't, and the lessons I'm learning as I go. Not just about YouTube, but about building a sustainable solopreneur business as a 40-year-old whose most important job is being a mom. If you're starting over or rebuilding your own business, I hope you'll follow along.